Triple pleated design for a more ambient finish. Semi-translucent pleated design makes the window luxurious and graceful. Mark the punch position for the mounting brackets. Punch holes for mounting brackets. Insert the expansion screws into the holes. Secure the mounting brackets. Insert the headrail into the brackets. Mark the punch position for the mounting brackets. After determining the location, punch the holes. Insert the expansion screws into the holes. Then, secure the mounting brackets. Finally, insert the headrail into the brackets. Tighten the cleat according to the position of the pull cord. Triple pleated Roman shades for an elegant room.